You've worked 30 or 40 years, followed the rules, put in the time. So why does it still feel like you've just been drifting? For people between 55 and 64, the median retirement savings is around $185,000 after a lifetime of work. What if the next 10 years could matter more than the last 40 combined? The 40-year drift. We were told, save a little, invest in the 401k, and one day you'll retire comfortably. For millions, that promise turned into a fairy tale. That feeling of watching the years go by from the passenger seat, that's financial drifting. You can't change the last few decades, but they're a sunk cost. The next 10 years are where you take the wheel and swap, hope it works out, for an active, strategic plan. The turning point. Your story is not over. At 65, broke and living on a small Social Security check, Harlan Sanders drove around pitching his fried chicken recipe and got rejected over 1,000 times before KFC took off. Morgan Freeman didn't become a Hollywood legend until around age 50, when a breakout role in Street Smart finally put him on the map. These aren't fairy tales. They prove that focused, disciplined effort over a short window can outweigh decades of drifting. The 10-year blueprint, from drifter to driver. Step 1. Mindset shift. You are the CEO of You Inc. Your income is revenue. Your savings are investment capital. Your job for the next decade is to get the best return on that capital. Step 2. Fuel. Push your savings rate to 20 to 30%. Use your peak earning years and catch-up contributions. In 2026, if you're 50 plus, you can put up to $32,500 into a 401k and $8,600 into IRAs with catch-ups. Automate every raise straight into investments. Step 3. Engine. Simplify. Roll old 401ks and IRAs into one low-cost account so you cut fees and see everything on one clear dashboard. Step 4. GPS. Use a simple portfolio, roughly 50 to 65% in global stock index ETFs, 35 to 50% in a total bond market ETF. You're not picking hot stocks, you're owning the market. Step 5. Annual tune-up. Once a year, rebalance back to your target mix and reinvest all dividends. S. That's how you systematically buy low, sell high, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. If this is starting to click and you're ready to stop drifting and start driving your financial life, hit like and subscribe. This channel gives you straight, practical tools to take control of your money and your future. The simple math of a focused decade. Person A, the drifter, earns $60,000, saves 5% a year for 40 years in a high-fee plan earning about 5%, and ends up around the mid-six figures. Person B, the trader, drifts for 30 years, then at 55 earns $80,000, saves 25% a year for 10 years in low-cost funds earning about 8%, and builds nearly the same amount in a quarter of the time. One long passive career versus one focused decade. 10 years of intention can almost catch 40 years of drifting. Conclusion. That feeling that you've been drifting is real, but the belief that your story is over is not. You have a blank 10-year page in front of you, along with experience, income, and now a blueprint. Colonel Sanders started at 65. Morgan Freeman took off at 50. Your turn starts now. Stop drifting. Start trading. Your story is far from over.